Begin sitting upright. Place 3 fingers just beneath your cheekbones so they are resting on the soft part of your jaw. Apply moderate pressure into the muscle as you relax to open your jaw. Continue the pressure inward as you slowly pull down over your cheek to your jawline, and repeat. You may also move your fingers in a circular motion over any tender areas. Make sure to avoid applying pressure directly over the jaw joint. Begin sitting upright. Open your mouth and use your opposite side pinky finger to trace outside of your top teeth back. Follow bone as high up and back as you can go. Close your mouth slightly while maintaining a tolerable amount of pressure to this region as you let your jaw muscles relax. Make sure that your fingernail is cut short to protect your gums, keeping in mind that this is a very sensitive area. Wash your hands or wear gloves before starting the exercise.
Begin sitting upright. Place 3 fingertips just below each of your cheekbones so they are resting on the soft part of your jaw and in front of the jaw joint. Press your fingertips toward each other gently, as if you were squeezing a balloon, and pull gently toward the floor, allowing your jaw to softly open. Hold for at least 60 to 90 seconds, then relax and repeat. Try to release your jaw into the stretch and let your tongue hang out. Do not hold your jaw open. Instead, allow your jaw to release naturally as if you're falling asleep in a chair.
Begin sitting in an upright position. Place your hand on one side of your jaw and let your mouth open slightly. Apply a gentle pressure as you try to move your jaw sideways against your hand. Relax, then repeat. There should be little to no movement during the exercise.